I've always been skeptical about exercise gadgets. I mean, every few months, there's a new miracle tool promising to transform your body overnight. But then I stumbled upon this spring-assisted abdominal roller, and something about it caught my eye. Maybe it was the sleek design, or the way it seemed to whisper, "I can help you." So, I took a leap of faith, and let me tell you, it's been a journey. At first I was just curious. I rolled it out in my living room, the sunlight streaming through the window, illuminating the dust motes dancing in the air. I thought, how hard can this be? I mean, it's just a wheel, right? But as I knelt down, gripping the handles, I felt a rush of excitement mixed with a twinge of dread. I pushed it forward, and suddenly my core was engaged in a way I hadn't felt in years. It was like my abs were waking up from a long slumber, stretching and groaning, reminding me of their existence. The first few rolls were a revelation. I could feel the resistance of the springs, gently guiding me back, almost cradling me as I rolled out. It was a far cry from the traditional ab rollers that left you gasping for breath and questioning your life choices. This one felt like a partner, not a punisher. I could feel the burn, but it was manageable, almost enjoyable. I started to see results, and that's when the obsession kicked in. I'd roll out in the morning, just as the world was waking up, and again in the evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon. Each session became a ritual, a moment of clarity in my chaotic life. But it wasn't just about the physical changes. Sure, the belly fat started to melt away, and I could see the contours of my abs forming, but it was the mental shift that truly amazed me. I felt empowered, like I was taking control of my body and my health. I began to crave movement, to seek out other forms of exercise. The roller opened doors I didn't even know existed. I started to run, to lift weights, to explore yoga. It was as if this little gadget had unlocked a part of me that was always there but buried beneath layers of self-doubt and complacency. Now, I look in the mirror and see someone who's not just losing belly fat, but gaining confidence. I've learned that it's not just about the tool, it's about the commitment, the mindset. The spring-assisted abdominal roller was my gateway, but the journey is mine to own. And I'm just getting started.